Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873. Columbia 6 plan is 3-bedroom/2.5 bath featuring a formal dining room, study west/double French doors and heated sunroom. The kitchen and GR open floor plan is ideal for entertaining and everyday living. Granite in kitchen west/custom shelving in pantry. Wall oven and gas range. Corner fireplace in GR. H/west floors throughout main living area. Beautiful sunroom full of natural light. Shiplap in GR, sunroom and master bedroom. Large master suite offers 2 walk-in closets west/custom closet system. Double sink vanity west/quartz countertop in MBA and a tiled shower. Pocket door to secondary BRs. Sprinklers front, side and rear. 2-car side entry garage and 2-car detached garage both west/construction carpeting. The 20x25 detached garage west/8 feet door is equipped west/220 outlet for air compressor and 230 wiring for the AC unit west/10x35 parking pad behind fence adjacent to garage. Walkway from detached garage to covered back patio. Huge fenced yard with 8x10 shed with ramp. Master Interlogix Smart Home /Sec system. Neighborhood resort style pool.